Automated Time Tracker OS walkthrough. So first, you can click on this button to add new task. Let's say you want to create YouTube thumbnail. You can set the due date. Let's say it's February 14th, February 26th. This will automatically populate the month. If I change to March, it will change this month to March. You can also add the assignee here. And this is where the magic starts. If you change the status of this task to in progress, you would see that it would automatically populate the start time. And then if we wait for a minute, we change the status now to pause. The end time will be automatically populated and it will create a log below, the time log below. Now you can change it back to in progress again and it will have a start time. And let's wait for another minute. Let's change this to completed. It will now create another log here, which would roll up to the minutes for this task. And you can do this over and over again. Let's click on go to the home page, and you can see here that it's aggregated or rolled up to whoever you assigned the task to. As you can see here, 6 minutes spent here, and it has a label also here. There's a monthly summary as well. If you open the March 2025, you can see the completed task here with the minutes as well.